Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download DexTrade application on your Android device. To download and install DexTrade application, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are sure that you are connected, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. Upon opening up the Google Play Store, tap the search icon at the bottom right, which will bring up the search box. In the search box appearing at the top, type in DexTrade. In the search result, look for this application from DexTrade and tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android phone. The download process will take a while depending upon your internet speed. Once it is done, tap on the open button to open the app on your Android device. DexTrade is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that provides users with a simple, secure, and efficient way to trade digital assets. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and much more. So that's how you easily download the DexTrade application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.